Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open the laptop without causing any damage. First, power off your Lenovo 80x10⁵ and unplug it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Remove the battery by sliding the lock and lifting it out gently. This step ensures your device is completely powered down. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of the laptop. You will typically find around 10 to 12 screws holding the panel in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find that some screws are stuck, apply a little pressure but be careful not to strip the heads. Once all screws are removed, take your plastic spudger and carefully insert it into the seam between the bottom panel and the main body of the laptop. Slide the spudger around the edges to loosen the clips holding the panel in place. Be patient and avoid using excessive force, as this could damage the casing. After successfully removing the bottom panel, you will have access to the internal components. It's a good practice to clean the interior of the laptop at this stage. Use compressed air to blow out any dust, especially from the fans and vents. This not only improves airflow but also enhances the overall performance of your device. Now, if you notice any damaged components or if you're unsure about the condition of your laptop, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. It's always better to check before proceeding further. Next, you will need to detach the old case from the laptop. Identify the clips and screws that secure the upper part of the case. Remove these carefully, just as you did with the bottom panel. Once all fasteners are removed, gently lift the old case off, taking care not to disturb any internal wiring or components. With the old case removed, take your new Lenovo 80x10⁵ case and align it with the laptop's internals. Ensure all ports and buttons are positioned correctly. Press down gently until you hear a click, indicating that the case is securely attached. If you're not comfortable with this process or don't have the necessary tools, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. Now, it's time to reattach the bottom panel. Align it carefully over the laptop body and press down until it snaps into place. Replace all screws you removed earlier, making sure they are tightened securely. Finally, reinsert the battery and plug in your laptop. Power it on to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you need assistance or a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, we offer no calls, no travel solutions for your convenience. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the case of your Lenovo 80x10⁵. Keeping your laptop in good condition can extend its lifespan and improve performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.